guys, I'm standing here with Barry Henderson. He is the owner and founder of IZ Technologies, which is radar, and you made a big announcement this week about the radar. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Radar Studio, right?
Sure, Radar Studio. So Radar Studio, as the name implies, is the entire recording studio in one box. We render the audio PC and the audio interface obsolete by taking all of the necessary components, the converters, the sync engine, the software, the plugins, the hardware processing power, putting it all in one single box. It's extremely convenient because you can go live, you can go in the studio, and you can just call one company and get supported for everything. You don't have to buy 5 or 6 different components from 3 or 4 different companies anymore and become a techno geek or a computer scientist to put the thing together yourself. You just buy one box from one company, and we provide 10 years of free technical support. So what you're looking here at is a Radar Studio. It's got an optional Blu-ray drive, 2 solid state 120 gigabyte removable drives that when they are removed, they become portable USB drives. Transport controls, 10-inch high-resolution touchscreen, so I can set all my settings, do all my routing, and 2 USB controls on the front panel. And then I'm going to take you around and show you the back panel in a minute, but before I do, in this particular case, we're running a Pro Tools session right on this one box. We also have the session controller, which is our tactile controller. This is 1995, and it allows you to do all the track arming, soloing, muting, edit selecting, muting, input monitoring. It's got your full QWERTY keyboard. It's got your auto locator, your mark loc and edit loc buttons. It's got up to 48 direct locates, so you no longer have to hit 4 keystrokes just to go to one locate. Like in Pro Tools, you have to hit period, 1, 2, period, to go to locate 12. Here you just hit 12 and you're there. We've got a 48 channel meter bridge as well. This is a 24 channel session, so it's just showing 24 channels. And then for those who want a less expensive control surface, we've integrated and virtualized the session controller and put it into a touchscreen. So it's basically the exact same thing on a touchscreen. And then we've added faders and panners, buses, and a master section. Okay, let's go around and do a little back panel tour. So I'll head over this way.
I love the way that radar works and loves just for tracking.
Excuse me. So every audio connector known to mankind is on the radar. We've got 24 channels of analog audio I/O. Now this can come in 3 or an 8 channel blocks. So you can buy an 8 channel, a 16 channel, or a 24 channel system. 24 channels of MADI, digital I/O, optical, and coax. Thunderbolt for Thunderbolt drives. HDMI for video, DVI, VGA, another DVI, another HDMI, multiple USB 3 ports on the back and the front, multiple USB 2, gigabit Ethernet, Sony 9-pin machine control, foot switch control, the 24 channels of AES multi-channel digital I/O, 24 channels of ADAT multi-channel digital I/O, word clock in, out, through, video sync in and through, 2-channel AES EBU digital I/O and sync, SPDIF 2-channel digital I/O and sync, MIDI timecode, SMPTE timecode. All of these connectors are in one box, so you never have to worry anymore about having external boxes. Very convenient for the guys that are going live on the road.
So for what's the list price on a unit like this? That's let's say So what's configurable and what's not, what comes right out of the box? I mean, all of this comes in the box, but this is upgradable from 8 to 16 to 24?
What comes in the box is the frame, the sync board, but then the I/O, the digital I/O, and the analog I/O are all optional. The frame is $59.95. Each analog card is $14.95. So 3 analog cards would be $4,500 plus the frame at $59.95. So you're looking about $10,000 for a fully loaded unit. We're doing a show special where you can buy the frame for $1,000 off plus 1 free analog card. So it's $2,500 off. So for $49.95, you can get up and running with an 8-channel system.
All right, cool. Well, thank you for the information, Barry.
You're very welcome. Okay, Kevin.